welcome again to the channel, Life with Jennifer J. You know, I stop out on the way and try to get something to eat. Look here, shrimp and soup. And I feel think about how the Jamaica Labour Party lie. They run out about them have get Dr. Die lawsuit. Tastes nice. How them have get Dr. Die's lawsuit to come out and spread propaganda and mischief. Eh? My people, the drill not cost so much money. And they realize I'm not getting the lawsuit yet to their holiday. So I'm going to see when them are serving me lawsuit. I wish you got a court and the court call you up very quick and make them have to present all the evidence but they don't want to present. Yeah? Who is the mysterious owner of this company that sourced the drill? Where is the invoice? Where is the receipt? Where is the payment? Which company you not buy it from? We want to know, we not let it go. Dr. Das said, we not feel let it go. And I wake up with it on my mind this morning. And I say more and more, this JLP government. See me run all over the country like when chicken a look place for lay. When chicken a look place for lay. Then lie, then thief. Then have the money I spend all about. And the thing we not care for people. And the people they not understand. Hospital and a bed. And on a source one drill for 31 million. On a wicked man. On is a evil, corrupt. On a evil and corrupt. Watch a bird. What's up? The bird almost can fly down from me. So now that bird that came. Here? You saw me wake up with it on my mind and I say, no man. One set of people can so evil us. Can't so evil us. Can't so evil us, my people. Eh? See when that news come out, the people then can't get no pay. Can't get no pay. Dr. Daz walk go all the way up at the headquarters to go look at who stole the cookie from the cookie jar. Hmm? Who stole the cookie? And a little bit of cookie them stealing. We hear all when the councillor cuss out the other councillor say when he full in craw. The whole of them know what them in a do. When they full then craw. See all Jolette Ola, she up there. And give her something to farmers. All of a sudden, she knows there are farmers, they want things. A chicken soup, you know. It's all kind of skin beef. You hear? You know, someone I love to say, I don't like when you eat and talk. But you have to do everything sometimes. Soup tastes good, man. This is my first meal for the day. Where the bird and I don't know how long anyone no eat this. I just go in the store and see it. I'm say a long time in it. I like the end of it, you know, see that? This called Toto. See that? $1.49. See price there? $1.49. So let's say I don't have money this morning, I'm find myself with $1.49. I could have come and buy it. See big piece, eh? $1.49. You hear? And eat this and drink some water. And my belly full same way. You hear? When we are going to make our country come like this, when food is in the reach of everybody, and if me want one little drinks, because I get one drink for 70 something cents. Look, I'm going to drink water when we finish with this. You hear me? The country will go down the hill. The leadership is poor. Me hear my try to talk about, oh, him build the St. Thomas something on the highway. And them the accomplishment the man I talk about. You hear? And them there the accomplishment. And broke ground and tie ribbon. Break ground and tie ribbon. The total nice stuff. Yeah? You know the coconut church tonight here. Long time I don't see it. I'm going to pass here and pick up a piece this morning. I'm going to eat all of it, just I eat piece and left piece, so I have more for later. Every time I think about my country, and I think this is the sentiment for many who travel overseas, to come back home into something that uncomfortable. Just take second, you know if you're going to want good in the attachment. In the attachment. See me next up man. But I'm not gonna eat this now though. This come up to, see this? $2 something for this. Yeah? $2 something for this shrimp here. See there? $2 something it come up to. Let me say it come up to $2 something. Them do for them pepper shrimp like a different fan way at Jamaica. Then cook it up. See it here? Let me show you it. Nice. Just season it up with all kind of season. Just nice. Yeah, then say you lick your finger. Some people just chop everything down. This is very nice, man. I should have picked up some more and carry home. Pepper, man. Oh, me did I say not pepper? It's pepper. It's pepper boy. So there's some different something made. Soup, shrimp, tomato. The soup is for I think the soup is for $4 something. The soup, the shrimp, and the pet something come up to $9. Let me say me not eat this now. Then taste nice enough, people. Somebody else will show you. If me have $10, you can get something to eat. $10 can't even buy a candy. I don't eat no more for this one. I'm not giving none, no. Can't even buy a candy. Can't even buy a candy, my people. You hear? Oh. So, I just have my reason waiting a while. I sit down and start eating my lunch. Not even lunch or breakfast this time. I never eat nothing before. Not for my breakfast this and my lunch this. Everybody want best for themselves. And you know this, every government look out for them citizens, that them citizens can live a decent life as a human being. And they run out with statistics about, oh, poverty is down, poverty down where? Which part? Where? I want to take up census. Who no want fool? So my viewers, my friend, and my subscriber, I finished now. I'm going to leave now. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about the government. Tell me what you think about my breakfast. A different little vibes this morning, you know. Right at the grocery store, I just sit down. Just went in there. So they have deli in there. I just get something on my way. So leave a comment, like, share, subscribe to the channel and tell me what you think. The conversation continue. I'm your girl Auntie Jen. Catch you the next time. Bye.